If you're tricked into wiring money to a fraudulent bank account, the bank may not be there to help you. After all, it's you who transferred the money, not the criminal. Here's an example. Let's say one of your vendors is inquiring about an open invoice and requests that you wire the payment instead of sending a check. The email looks legit and they include the wiring info. What you don't know is that someone is impersonating the vendor. Cybercriminals have ways to find relevant information before they approach you to make it feel so real. They may have the invoice number and the contact name of the person you work with. If you transfer the money, you will probably never see it again. Checking the email address is always a good habit, but it's not enough. What if the vendor's email was hacked and they're sending you the email from the hacked inbox? That's why you should always call to verify the authenticity of the request. And call the number listed in your vendor management system and not the email signature, because they can also change that too. A rule of thumb is you must go above and beyond to verify the authenticity of any requests to change bank info, phone numbers, or even mailing addresses for anyone, not just vendors. This includes employees, partners, or really anyone you do business with.